Hello, everybody out there. I just want to let you know that the doors are closing to the membership this evening. So if you don't act now, you won't be able to get in. But I wanted to say hello and hopefully welcome you into the community. We have had a blast. So it's been 3 years that we've had our community going. The founding member started 3 years ago, and we had three, I would call star students, people that were very motivated to do their backyards. You just saw Krista's transformation from start to finish. We also had Doug, who is a firefighter in Indiana, and we also have Tim, who is, I don't know what his career is, but he lives in Germany and doing an amazing outdoor space. I think he's just starting it. I think he started it 2 weeks ago. So tomorrow will be my first time seeing him within the community again. So tomorrow, by the way, is our first live call with me. I would love for you to be in there. So if you can join the community tonight before midnight Pacific Standard Time, then you will be on the call with us tomorrow. I hope to see a bunch of people in there, but obviously there's a lot of people that delay, and then they regret. So please, if you're interested at all in transforming your outdoor space, this is a great place to start. I would say this is the right space to start. I always tell people that you need a design first, so that is absolutely the right case. But if you can't afford a 3D rendering, and I want to say that if you're relying on AI, please be super careful. I have so many clients or, potential clients that have tried it and it's just failed miserably. So for your design, please consult an expert. I would love to be your expert. I'll help you navigate through all of the do's and don'ts of everything. So from the vision board, I'm very clear on that's the where you need to start, the place you need to start. But then right after the vision, we get to the design. I'll walk you through all of it. And then, of course, we get to the build. If you want to DIY it like Krista and her family, that's great. Doug was another one. He hired a lot of it, but did a lot of it himself. So there's a combination. And Tim in Germany, he's going to be building almost all of it himself. And I'm going to be assisting him, just like I assisted Krista all the way through that project. And honestly, I can't wait. I want to say that too. I really like what I do, as you can probably see. The membership is a lot of work for all of us. So for you, it's going to be some work, but for me, it's going to be some work, but it's also fun. It's a fun transformation to go from where your yard is right now to where it's going to be in the future. I mean, wait till that first day. We celebrated Krista's, that she had a party, and that's what I always talk about is the celebration afterwards, because it is such a grind to get through all of the build. I want to say the design is pretty fun, but the build, oftentimes there's always hurdles. There's just always things to overcome. But that's what I like. I'll be here to assist you, to help you navigate through all of that and to get to that finish line. It's a fun, amazing celebration. I have a little special treat or surprise for you when you get to that finish line. So, again, I just want to say hello. This YouTube video will be deleted after tonight at midnight, but I just wanted to say hello to everybody out there. This is where I basically do all my work. So this is my office and where you're going to be meeting with me. So I wanted to talk with you face to face, I guess, so to speak, and let you know this is what you have awaiting for you, me, awaiting for you in the membership. And this is where we'll be meeting tomorrow at 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. I'd love to meet you. I'd love to see what we can do to help you out and go from there. Let's get your backyard transformation started, and let me help you every step of the way. All right, guys, I just want to let you know again that tonight at midnight Pacific Standard Time, the doors officially close, and there's always people that are kind of knocking, and I usually have to say sorry. So please don't delay action. Just take some action. At least explore what you think of the membership below. If it works for you, great. It's very low monthly cost, and it's cancel anytime. So there's no commitments. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. But hopefully it all works out and we can see you in the membership tomorrow. All right, guys. Again, tonight the doors close. So please don't delay. Have a good night. And again, this video will be deleted. So if you're seeing it, the doors are still open. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.